This is an inkjet printer, a machine that revolutionized the way we print documents and images. But how does it actually work? Welcome to Sleek Learning. Although printers may look complicated from the outside, they are built from several systems working together with incredible precision. Let's take a closer look inside. This is the control panel, which contains the display and operating buttons used to control the printer. Attached below it is the scanner glass, where documents are placed for scanning and copying. Beneath the scanner glass are the scanning rollers, which help guide paper during the scanning process. Together, these components form the upper scanner assembly. At the rear is the paper feeder tray, where blank sheets are loaded before printing begins. This is the main body of the printer, which houses the internal mechanical and electronic systems. At the front is the ink access door, used to install or replace ink cartridges. Below it is the output tray, which receives the printed paper after printing is complete. The tray can also extend outward to support larger sheets. These are the eject rollers, responsible for pulling the printed paper out of the machine. Inside the printer, this metal guide rod supports the print carriage and allows it to move smoothly from side to side. Connected to the carriage is the timing belt, which transfers motion from the motor to move the print head accurately across the page. These feeder rollers pull paper into the printer once printing begins. This transparent strip is called the encoder strip. It helps the printer determine the exact position of the print carriage during operation. Attached to the carriage is the ribbon cable, which carries electrical signals between the print head and the printer's control systems. This is the main control board, or PCB. It acts as the brain of the printer, processing commands and controlling internal operations. Next to it is the power supply unit, which provides electrical power to the entire printer. Now let's see how the printing process works. First, the document is scanned using the scanner assembly. Once scanning is complete, the feeder rollers begin pulling a blank sheet of paper into the printer. At the same time, the print carriage rapidly moves back and forth across the page while spraying microscopic droplets of ink onto the paper. Tiny droplets of cyan, magenta, yellow, and black ink combine to create images and text. Finally, the completed page is pushed outward by the eject rollers and delivered onto the output tray. And that is how an inkjet printer works. Simple on the outside, but incredibly smart on the inside.